Welcome back. So let's begin with the 12th question. I hope you people have solved this question. At least you might have tried to solve this question. So to begin with, we find integration of x cube minus 1 whole raised to 1 by 3 into x raised to 5. So for the given function, which one you would like to claim f of x and whose derivative should be available. So if I'll consider x cube, let's go for division part, or let's take a chance for x cube. So if I claim for put x cube is equal to athava x cube minus 1, okay, then is equal to t, then derivative is going to be 3x square, isn't it? So 3x square is not available, but in x raised to 5 I can plan for splitting of the term. Okay, so this I can take a chance provided x raised to 5 can be taken as x cube into x square. So x square will be the derivative, you can imagine, x square will be the derivative of x cube. 3x square ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಾನು. 3x square ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 is numerical part which we very well can balance it in the case of integration. So x square is available, that itself is it's going to benefit us. And x cube, obviously this will be taken again, put whatever we are going to claim here. One option. One more you can guess here. If I'll say x raised to 5 is equal to t, will it benefit us? If x raised to 5 is equal to t, then differentiation is going to be 5 x raised to 4. ಇದನ್ನ put ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, if I'll claim for this as t here, then x raised to 5 I cannot balance it in this case. So claiming for x raised to 5 is equal to t, ಇದನ್ನ t ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಹುಶಃ this is not going to benefit, whereas this part I can try it, but to go for x cube here, okay, derivative is x square in terms of x square, and to fulfill the requirement of x square, let me say one step here, the modification of x raised to 5 as, I can split x raised to 5 as x cube into x square. So only by observation you can make you can come to a conclusion here. So idu derivative illa, idu derivative illi chance tagobodu, ee poothi term kuda derivative I can take a chance here. Raised to 1 by 3 tagondbitre is not possible, because power and again differentiation will again give a fraction only, which I cannot benefit, or the terms cannot be adjusted here. So finally we come to a conclusion, x cube along with that even minus 1 can be taken. So here I would like to go for put x cube minus 1, and to fulfill I have taken x raised to 5 as x cube into x square. So let's go for put x cube minus 1 is equal to t. So that differentiation is 3x square is equal to, we are left out with dt by dx. The requirement is x square with respect to x square with respect to x can be easily replaced by 1 by 3 times of dt. That is 1/3 I have to integrate with respect to t here. So this can be taken back, considered. This part can be considered here. So this will be replaced by t. This whole term will be replaced by 1 by 3, 1/3 with respect to t. What about x cube here? So same relation nodi illi togota idene nanu. Same relation can be taken as x cube can be taken as t plus 1. So idunu kuda put anta claim madona. X cube will be replaced, this term will be replaced, as well as this whole term will be replaced. Let's see what happens to I. I goes to its integration of x cube minus 1 is replaced by t. T ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ I ಅಲ್ಲಿ, which I need to write here to balance it here. We have t raised to 1 by 3, x cube to be replaced by t plus 1, and x square with respect to x will be replaced by 1 by 3 times of dt. Now this term, is it ready to integrate? Definitely. Here I can go for 1 by 3 constant ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. We are left out with here integration of, this is t raised to 1 by 3, it's a monomial, it's a binomial, two terms we have, we can go for term by term multiplication. So term by term multiplication should give us t into t here. Power can be added. So we are left out with t raised to 1 by 3 plus 1 plus t raised to 1 by 3 is multiplied with 1, which says it is t raised to 1 by 3. So to be integrated with respect to t. So now integration is ready. Which formula comes in your mind? We have integration of x raised to n. Okay, before I go for that, I think one more step I simplified it here. We have integration of 1 by 3 kept outside. Integration of t raised to 3 being LCM. 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. It is x raised to n form. Integration of x raised to n form. Okay. Plus we have t raised to 1 by 3 with respect to t. Now this can be taken for integration. We have 1 by 3 kept here, and here integration is actually applied. The symbol has been applied. We are left out with t raised to, this is a 4 by 3 plus 1. Simplify this, I find 7 by 3 plus, it is t raised to 1 by 3 plus 1. Denominator 3 plus 1, 4 by 3 plus c. Take the reciprocal, I have balanced it here. We have 1 by 3 and please take a bracket because we have two terms here. 1 by 3 is coefficient for the whole term. So please make use of the bracket. Square bracket hakondre. The next step, it's understood that 1 by 3 should be multiplied to the first term as well as for second term. If you will not apply the bracket symbol, then definitely it will go wrong because you will be multiplying 1 by 3 only for the first term and you neglect it for the second term. So as soon as you multiply the numerical coefficient, when you have two terms here, take a bracket and then definitely the terms will get balanced and even you will not go wrong in multiplying the terms. So here we are left with 1 by 3 within a bracket. I have taken reciprocal here. We find 3 by 7 t raised to 7 by 3 plus this is 3 by 4 t raised to 4 by 3 plus c. Now 3 has been multiplied, which will eliminate. Uliyodu 1 by 7, we have t raised to 7 by 3 plus 3 gets eliminated when you go for term by term multiplication. We are left out with 1 by 4 t raised to 4 by 3 plus c. So t need to be replaced back. And for this, what is t? Initially we had claimed for t. What is t? Check it out. It is x cube minus 1. So we are left out with 1 by 7. We have x cube minus 1 raised to 7 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Here we have x cube minus 1 raised to 4 by 3 plus c should be the answer. So let's move on for 13th question. You can give a pause to the video and then you can solve it. Okay, you can think about all the terms which are available. Yav term derivative ellide hudki first. Differentiation. X square differentiation is 2x. 2x not possible. Denominator ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, remember whenever denominator term occurs, remember denominator is always f of x whose derivative should be available in numerator. So theorem will give a picture. Numerator normally endu f of x ಆಗಲ್ಲ, whose derivative we can search in denominator. Numerator ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರು f of x ನೀವು assume ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, if you claim it for t, whose derivative is f dash of x in denominator ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, that cannot be claimed for substitution. Theorem will give you an idea. All the derivatives should be available in numerator only. With respect to x, easily the terms can be replaced by new variable t. Fine. So, illi kuda hagidre numerator, claiming for numerator f of x whose derivative I am searching here is not possible. Next option. Can we think about this power cube? Can I say 2 plus 3x cube whole cube is equal to t? If that is the case, then differentiation is 3 into 2 plus 3x cube whole square into d by dx of this term. 3 is a 9x square, not possible. So, hagidre, ee power 3 nu bitbidoಣ, ee x square bitbidoಣ. Let's go for this part irrespective of the power. So, when I consider only this part here, we are left out with 2 plus 3x cube. Definitely 2 will be considered, 3 will be considered, but normally this differentiation we are in need here. So x cube differentiation is actually 3x square. 3 is constant, x square this can benefit us. Idanna claim madidre benefit agbodu. But along with x cube even 3 is constant, 3x cube tagondre 3 3s are 9. 9 can be balanced, x square is also going to benefit us. But along with 3 even 2 if I take it, 2 will not, 2 is a plus there. So the differentiation of 2 is 0 which will not affect the derivative of this. So along with 2 if I claim 2 plus 3x cube is equal to t, I think that the maximum I can extract, isn't it? I can extract for put which will reduce the integration process. But for this question there is no harm. Put x cube is equal to t is also okay. But lengthy agutte. Okay. Put 3x cube is equal to t is also correct. But the maximum I find here is 2 plus 3x cube is equal to t. That's all by observation, by practice you will come to know. Constant terms ittu antantandre definitely drag that constant term and claim it for put. So here we are left out with, and finally we have come to this conclusion, and definitely I would like to go for differentiation here. We have 3 3s and 9x square is equal to, we find dt by dx. So here x square respect to x I can balance as per our requirement. We are left out with 1 by 9 times of dt. So I were left out with numerator. This step I am writing here, claiming for these two substitution. So x square respect to x has been replaced by 1 by 9 times of dt here. Keep an eye on this part and then try to write this step. Okay. So this term we are claiming it for t, but if t stay illa, we have the power Remember and write it properly, we had t cube. So now the whole term can be taken as it is 1 by 9 integration of 1 upon t cube with respect to t. Now the integration process can be done provided if I take this in the numerator, that is integration of t raised to minus 3. Coefficient is left out as 1 by 9 with respect to t. So this recollects a formula. It is a integration of x raised to n with respect to x, and which we know it very well. It's x raised to n plus 1, denominator n plus 1 plus c. So according to this formula, I can go for integration, and 1 by 9 integration will be completed here, provided if I apply the formula. So here we had t raised to minus 3 plus 1, denominator reduced, simplified, minus 2 plus c. So minus can be balanced and all the constant terms can be simplified. We have minus 1 by 9 2s are 18, power t raised to minus 2 plus c. T is replaced back, we have minus 1 by 18. We find 2 plus 3x cube, t replaced back, raised to minus 2 plus c. Should be the answer. This should be the answer. Minus 2 that shows negative exponent. If you want to convert, if you want to write the positive exponent, you can even replace it by minus 1 by 18. Negative exponent, you can just transfer the numerator towards denominator, which will make the negative exponent to positive exponent. But this is not compulsory. This is, I should ask you to go for or option. But this itself, integration process completed here, simplified, everything is ready. Only can rewrite it, provided if it is question is asked to prove it or nothing as such. The question is always for integration. So this can be the answer or this can be the answer. So practice this question. Okay. Now let's move on for the next one. We find 14 question. 14 question, very well you can guess it. Log x is there. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Got it? So denominator is f of x. Denominator is f of x whose derivative 1 by x is available here. That is f dash of x. Got it? So denominator, you put log x is equal to t. Differentiation 1 by x is equal to dt by dx. The requirement says 1 by x with respect to x, 1 by x with respect to x can be replaced by dt. So we have integration of 1 upon, this part you have to please make a note, this part you have to see. We have 1 upon, this I am claiming for t, 1 by t raised to m, 1 by t raised to m. The whole term 1 by x with respect to x is replaced by dt. So we are left out with integration of t raised to minus m with respect to t. So we are left out with t raised to minus m plus 1. Integration process has been done here. Which formula? Integration of x raised to n formula, and this will definitely say t raised to minus m plus 1, denominator minus m plus 1 plus c. T will be replaced back, and I should say we are left with log x raised to minus m plus 1, denominator 1 minus m, same term, plus c should be the answer. 14 question. Okay, here we find 15 question. So we find integration of x denominator 9 minus 4x square. So this step can be taken as here. Differentiation of x square is 2x. 2 constant we can benefit. We can take advantage of this 2x, 2 constant. X is available, that it's sufficient. So x square tagona athwa 4 sameta tagona athwa 9 minus 4x square, the maximum if I can extract. Let's go for 9 minus 4 x square is equal to t. So we're left with minus here. 4 2s are 8x is equal to dt by dx. So x with respect to x can be replaced by transfer. We find minus 1 by 8 times of dt. So I keep an eye on this. We have x with respect to x to be replaced by numerator minus 1 by 8 times of dt. Denominator we are claiming it for t. So minus 1 by 8 integration of 1 by t with respect to t. Remember integration of 1 by t, 1 by x with respect to x. We have log. Okay, don't take it as t raised to minus 1. Be careful. By now everyone should remember this. So here we are left with minus 1 by 8 log of mod t plus c. Replace t here, we find minus 1 by 8 log mod of, it is 9 minus 4x square plus c should be the answer. But normally log hingade minus sign now written madalla. It's not compulsory that you have to write this step. I should not make it compulsory, but normally log hingade minus ittu antandre amongst the option if you have to select the answer, then check it out. Log hingade normally minus will not be kept. So whenever we find, I think previous in some video also I discussed here, whenever I find minus log x can be taken as log 1 by x. Minus log x can be taken as log 1 by x, that is plus log 1 by x. So definitely this minus can be balanced, that is plus 1 by 8 log of Take the reciprocal of this, I should say it is 1 upon 9 minus 4x square plus c, I should say or option, not compulsory that integrate ಆದಮೇಲೆ final answer. The last part of the conclusion should be kept in terms of positive. It's not a rule. Integration process has to be done properly. Okay. So last answer, either this or this can be taken as the answer. Got it? Fine. 16th question. We have, it's one more question. Integration of e raised to 2x plus 3. Very well you can guess it. It's integration of e raised to, which formula listally kuda balsidena ee term anna. We have integration of e raised to ax plus b with respect to x. So we are left out with its e raised to ax plus b, denominator a plus e should be the answer. So it's one mark question. So very well you can guess the answer. We are left out with e raised to 2x plus 3, denominator x coefficient 2 should be taken in denominator. It is denominator 2 plus e should be the answer. 17th question. It's integration of x denominator e raised to x square. X square, derivative is 2x. Good option. E raised to x square ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, e raised to x square ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, differentiation of this will be e raised to x square into 2x. 2x is okay, but again e raised to x square is going to occur, which we cannot balance. So claiming for e raised to x square, wrong option. Only x square whose derivative is available. I think that's a proper judgment of claiming here. So put x square is equal to t. Well, left out with 2x is equal to dt by dx. So here we have x with respect to x can be replaced by half of dt. So I is equal to, I should say we have 1 by 2. Keep an eye towards I, half of dt. Denominator e to be considered because only x square I'm claiming it for t. So we are left out with, actually in denominator we are left out with e raised to t. E raised to t. So let's balance it here. We find 1 by 2 integration of e raised to minus t with respect to t. So be careful about integration of e raised to minus t. It's e raised to minus t. Denominator x coefficient minus 1 should and must plus c should be taken. Got it? So fine. We are left out with, okay, t replaced back here. We have minus considered. We have minus 1 by 2 e raised to minus x, t is replaced here with x square plus c. So final answer should say it's minus 1 by 2 e raised to minus x square plus c should be the answer for 17th question. 18th question. Okay, this is very important and twice or thrice this question has occurred for 2 marks in the board exam. Important. You can make a note here. It's important for 2 marks. It's integration of e raised to tan inverse x upon denominator 1 plus x square with respect to x. Very well you can guess it. Tan inverse x derivative is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So I can say here put tan inverse x is equal to t. We have 1 upon 1 plus x square with respect to x equal to dt. So we are left out with integration of e raised to t. E raised to t. Everything replaced with respect to t. So we have e raised to t plus c. We have e raised to tan inverse x plus c should be the answer. E term ಮತ್ತು e term ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ differentiation ಅಲ್ಲಿ balance ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. So very well you can guess it. Okay. Now let's move for 19th question. So before I go for 19th question I taken. That's right. 19th question. It's integration of e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x whole divided by e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x with respect to x. So denominator derivative is, think about this, differentiation of denominator, that is e raised to 2x derivative is e raised to 2x into 2. Differentiation of e raised to minus 2x is minus e raised to minus 2, sorry, e raised to minus 2x into differentiation of minus 2x is minus 2. 2 very well you can balance, but that means the whole situation will give you an idea of the theorem. This will give you an idea of the theorem. Numerator is derivative of denominator. So if this is a situation here, this theorem will say that put denominator is equal to t, which denominator I'm claiming it for t. So theorem situation will definitely benefit you. So let's go for this, and I'm claiming denominator here. We have e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x is equal to t. Okay, let's go for differentiation. We find e raised to 2x into 2 plus e raised to minus 2x into minus 2 is equal to dt by dx. So 2 can be very well taken common. We're left out with the bracket 2 common I have taken. We're left out with e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x is equal to dt by dx. So numerator I would like to balance with respect to x. can be taken as 2 transferred. We are left out with half of dt. So what exactly I we have right now? I is equal to, see the whole numerator what I find here is half of dt. Denominator I am claiming it for t. So we are left with integration of 1 by t with respect to t. Coefficient half. So let's go for the conclusion part here. Let's go for integration. Can be done at this step. We have 1 by 2 log mod of t plus c. We have 1 by 2 log mod to be kept here. T value I should say it's e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x plus c should be the answer. Okay. So let's move on for the 20th question. So in 20th question you find here, it's integration of e raised to 2x minus 1. Denominator it's e raised to 2x plus 1 with respect to x. See, whenever exponential occurs, remember both, if there are two terms, in both the term we expect e raised to function, exponential function. To fulfill the illi kuda e raised to x irbeku, illi kuda e raised to x irbeku. I mean, the whole given f of x should and must balance with derivative. Numerator should be derivative of denominator. So, edu kade e exponential term ittu andre, definitely the terms can be balanced with alternate sign if they are there. Then the situation can be taken for f dash upon f of x. So to fulfill the requirement, a small modification what we have done, e raised to 2x, I can split the term as e raised to x into e raised to x minus 1. Denominator, e raised to x into e raised to x plus 1. Quite tricky, you can mark it over there, you can just put a star over there, that shows that you need to remember this modification. I repeat, this modification, you can't guess it easily, but as in how you solve the same question again, you can remember it. So this is a unique modification. So put a star over here so that you can, while revising the portion, you need to have a glance on this step what you have done. So splitting we have done it here. E raised to 2x can be taken upon loss of exponent. E raised to x into e raised to x and balance the denominator also done the same modification. Now in numerator, take e raised to x common. We are left out with e raised to x. Illi e raised to x togolik illa. Actually, we don't have. But I can imagine we have e raised to x in numerator. Denominator also e raised to x. That means I am multiplying and I am dividing it. So multiply madidanta e raised to x I taken as common. Denominator which is left out with e raised to x. Denominator. That can be taken as e raised to minus x. I hope you are convinced. E raised to x is common. Common. Left out with e raised to x minus. Here I don't find e raised to x. Imagine you have e raised to x. Denominator also we have e raised to x. So numerator e raised to x has been taken out. Denominator which is left out with e raised to x. Numerator I can balance it as e raised to minus x. This is as good as I have taken numerator and balanced to fulfill e raised to x common. This will generate another e raised to x, and both the terms if they are exponential, then definitely we can think about the theorem. Numerator is derivative of denominator. Fine. So here we are left out with similar denominator also. Let me claim here e raised to x I have taken common, so that we are left out with e raised to x plus illi kuda e raised to x. Consider balance e raised to x. Numerator common, denominator will give us e raised to minus x. So e raised to x gets simplified, gets eliminated. Okay, and this situation is the required actually, where differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x. Differentiation of e raised to minus x is minus e raised to minus x, fulfills the derivative f dash of x upon f of x case. So definitely once we go for this situation, once we find this situation, here which I have taken here, the same step I consider by eliminating e raised to x, integration of e raised to x minus e raised to minus x whole divided by e raised to x plus e raised to minus x. Put denominator is equal to t. Numerator, whole term can be balanced with dt. So we are left out with integration of numerator, okay, let me say it is dx, and the whole term is replaced by dt, denominator t. So we are left out with I is equal to its integration to be done. Log mod t plus c. Log mod of t, replace it back. We have e raised to x plus e raised to minus x plus c should be the answer. This is the 20th question solution. Let's move on for 21st question. Okay, very well you can guess it. Integration of tan square theta or tan square x. See, integration of tan square x already I had asked you to remember. Integration of tan square x to be considered as it is a secant square x minus 1. Andre tan square theta should be considered as secant square theta minus 1. Right now the variable we have secant square x minus 1 with respect to x. This already had asked you to remember tan square can be integrated provided if I'll make use of this relation. Got it? So based on the same logic, whenever we have linear, we can very well balance it. Tan square can be taken as secant square 2x minus 3 minus 1. Now integration of secant square 2x minus 3 can be very well, we can stand result it is, we can go for tan of 2x minus 3 denominator 2 integration of 1 with respect to x. I should say it is here minus balance. We have minus x plus c should be the answer. At the most I can say it is 2 marks question. We are given here integration of secant square, it is tan x plus c. Integration of secant square ax plus b should be tan of ax plus e denominator a, this coefficient, plus c. And the same I have taken here also. I hope you are convinced. 22nd question is 1 mark question. Integration of secant square. Very well you can guess it. Integration of secant square x with respect to x, tan x. So we can say it is tan of 7 minus 4x. But denominator x coefficient minus 4. Never say only plus. See, check out the coefficient of x. X hingade number plus itton plus barkoli. Minus itton minus barkoli. Don't go wrong in writing of the plus or minus sign here. So be careful about this minus. Here we find minus 4 plus c. 1 mark question. 23rd question. Very well you can guess it. It's integration of sine inverse x denominator root of 1 minus x square. This term derivative is available here. So we are left out with put sine inverse x equal to t. We have 1 upon root of 1 minus x square with respect to x is dt. So that we are left out with integration, I should say integration of t with respect to t. So here we find integration of t is t square by 2 plus c. We find sine inverse x whole square by 2 plus c should be the answer for 23rd question. 24th question. Integration of 2 cos x minus 3 sin x denominator 6 cos x plus 4 sin x. So put denominator because denominator derivative differentiation of 6 cos x is, can you guess? 6 cos x is minus 6 sin x minus 6 we are in need sin x plus it is 4 cos x plus 4 cos x. 2 is missing and the 2 factor I need to multiply, which you can say multiply and balance it also, or that means we have a chance of putting denominator is equal to t. So let's move for accordingly and let's see what best we can think about this. So denominator I am claiming here, which will give us minus 6 differentiation I should say, minus 6 sin x plus 4 cos x equal to dt by dx. In the whole term I find 2 common, which I have taken it out. We are left out with minus 3 sin x plus 2 cos x is equal to dt by dx. So numerator can be replaced very well with the half of dt. So back to the I, we have half integration of 1 by t, which fulfills the requirement 1 by 2 log mod t plus c. We have 1 by 2 log mod of t, replace it back. We find 6 cos x plus 4 sin x plus c should be the answer for 24th question. 25th question, yeah. 1 by cos square, I always find it to be secant square. 1 by cos square, always in integration, you are behind of secant square, you are behind of cosecant square. You have to think about sec x into tan x, you have to think about cosec x into cot x and so on. So hagidre 1 by cos square, I find it to be secant square. Numerator. And denominator 1 minus tan x whole square. Then what's the relation between tan and secant square? What is the relation between tan x and secant square? We find differentiation of tan x is secant square. Isn't it? So that means this term can be claimed for substitution. But along with this, even I find constant, but power not to be considered. No, this is not going to benefit us. So 1 minus the maximum, I should say 1 minus tan x is equal to t. So we are left out with minus, be careful. We have minus secant square x is equal to dt by dx. Secant square with respect to x can be easily replaced by minus of dt. So I goes right now back to the question. We find minus dt, denominator we have t square, this power square. So we have minus integration of t raised to minus 2 with respect to t. So we have minus t raised to minus 2 plus 1 denominator minus 1 plus c. We have minus gets eliminated. We have t raised to minus 1 plus c. So we have 1 by t plus c. This can go for can further replace back 1 upon t, replace it back, and t value we are claiming it for 1 minus tan x plus C should be the answer. 25th question answer, and followed by, here we find 26th question. So integration of cos root x upon root x with respect to x, put the root x is equal to t. Cos root x tagondre sin beku, minus sin root x, which is not available here. Put this term is equal to t antandaga, differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. This root x should be independently it has to exist with dx, but root x is along with cos here. It's acting as an angle. So I can't claim this derivative is here and helik baralla. So root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x is available here, this term. So this this part you have to consider it as root x. Sorry. Put root x is equal to t. So I should say it's 1 upon 2 root x equal to dt by dx. So here we are left out with 1 by root x equal to 2 times of dt. The integration of 2. Okay, but uliyodu cos t with respect to t. So let's move for integration, and I find here 2 sin t plus c. 2 sin t replaced by root x plus c should be the answer. 27th question. Yeah, here. Integration of root of sin 2x into cos 2x with respect to x. So sin 2x derivative is available, whereas cos 2x derivative should occur only sin 2x, which should be independent, but root ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಟರ್ಮು. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇದು ಅನ್ನೋ ತಪ್ಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೂಟ್ ಸಮೇತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 1 upon 2 root ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. So this is the best option I find here. Sin 2x is equal to t. I find 2 cos 2x with dt by dx. Cos 2x with respect to x can easily balance with half of dt. Can very well make a note of the steps. We are left with 1 by 2 integration of root t with respect to t. So root t to be taken as t raised to half plus 1 integration process, half plus 1 denominator 3 by 2 plus c. So here 2 gets eliminated, so that we are left out with 1 by 3. The next step I have given the answer. Yeah, it's 1 by 3 t raised to 3 by 2 plus c. Replace it, we find 1 by 3 sin 2x whole raised to 3 by 2 plus c should be the answer. So now 28th question onwards, I think I can conclude it in my next video. 28th question onwards, let me discuss it in my next video. Thank you.